Whether it is an AI model generating images or a blockchain verifying transaction, underneath all that complexity, everything is still built from binary logic. AI finds pattern in huge piles of data, but it is still doing millions of simple yes or no, one or zero decisions at an incredible speed. Blockchain builds digital trust by securing data blocks with math, and all that math still breaks down into billions of zeros and ones being processed. Every new technology is just a smarter, faster, or more creative way of using the same language computers have always spoken. Hi, I am Satish Choudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms, where we take complicated tech ideas and make them easy to understand. In the last episode, we watched how zeros and ones travel across the world, racing through cables, routers, and satellites to bring every photo, video, and messages to life. But here's the amazing part: even the most advanced technologies of today, the ones shaping our future, still run on the same foundation. Think of binary as the alphabet of the digital age. We keep writing new stories with it, from emails to AI, from spreadsheets to self-driving cars, but the letters have not changed. For more than 70 years, 0 and 1 have powered everything, proof that simplicity can build extraordinary things. But now we are standing at the edge of something new. What if computers could go beyond the role of 0 or 1 and exist in both at once? What if the next generation of machines could think in possibilities instead of just decisions? That's the world of quantum computing, where the language of computers might finally evolve for the first time in history. So in simple terms, binary built our digital world. Everything we touch, type, or stream still runs on those same two numbers, 0 and 1. But the next chapter of computing may begin by bending the rules and stepping beyond binary. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me in the next and final episode of this season as we explore quantum computing and the future and see how the next generation of computers might finally rewrite the language of technology. Till then, take care and thank you.